Good afternoon, all of you. So today in the live class we discussed about how we divide a number more than if it have more than 3 digit or 4 digit. Okay, so how we can divide that number by a single digit number or by a 1 digit number. Okay, so it is the same step of division as we learned that we already learned numbers, how we divide a 3 digit number or a 2 digit number by a 1 digit number. The same step we can follow in this division also. Okay, so first here when we start the first question, here we are starting from the last place. Last place here it is 9. Then 9 divided by 8. We are doing first 9 divided by 8. That we know. In 9, how many 8s are there? Only 1. So that we write on the quotient part. Then 1 multiply with 8. 1 into 8, 8. Then next step we know that is subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. Then next bring down the next digit. That is 6. Now the number is 16. Now in 16, when we divide 16 by 8, we know. For that we want to know the multiplication table of 8. 1 into 8, 8. 2 8s, 16. So it is exactly we can divide by 8. So 16 divided by 2. The answer is 2 that we write on the quotient part. Then next step, multiply this 2 with 8. 2 into 8, 16. Okay. Then subtract again 16. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then bring down the next digit. Next digit is 8. So when we divide 8 by 8, we know 8 divided by 8 is what? It is 1. When we divide a number by a same number, that also we learned in 3rd standard. A number divided by the same number, we will get 1 as the answer. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Then multiply that 1 with 8. 1 into 8, 8. That we write below this 8. Again we are subtracting. 8 minus 8, 0. Then bring down the next digit is which one? That is 7. Okay. Then 7 divided by 8. Is it possible? Can we divide 7 by 8? No, it is not possible because 7 is smaller than 8. Okay. So it is not possible. This division is not possible. So if it is not possible to divide this 7 by 8, we want to put one 0 on the quotient part. After writing that 0 on the quotient part, we bring down the next digit, that is 2. We bring down 2. Now, what is the number now? It is 72. 72 divided by 8, that we know. How many 8s are in 72? When we tell the multiplication table, we know 9 into 8 equals 72. So, 72 divided by 8 is 9. Then next multiply 9 with 8. 9 into 8 is 72. Then subtract, we got 0. So what is the quotient we got here? 12,109. Okay, 12,109. Now next question. Same method. 6 divided by 7. Is it possible? Can we divide 6 by 7? No, that is not possible. So we take the next digit also. Now the number is 64. In 64 divided by 7 we know. For that we want to know the multiplication table of 7. Okay. Then 7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 8, 56. 7 into 9, 63. Okay. So when we take the multiplication factor, 7 into 9 is 63. Then next when we take 8 into 9, how much? 72. So here the number is 64. That is below 64, and here we have one multiplication fact, 7 into 9, 63, 8 into 9, 72. So which multiplication fact we will take? So we want to take a number that is not exactly divisible, that is multiples. In the multiples of 7 there is no 64 there. So we want to take the multiplication fact just before that 64. That will be this. 9 into 7 is 63. Okay. So in 63, how many 7s are there? 9 7s are there. That means 63 divided by 7 equal 9. That we write on the quotient part. Then what is the next step? Multiply 9 with 7. 9 into 7, 63. Then subtract 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Then next bring down the next digit 4. Okay, now the number is 14. In 14 divided by 7, that we know 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, that we write on the quotient. Then 2 into 7, again 14. Then subtract, we got 0. Here also 0. Then bring down the next 4. Here first we bring down this 4. Again one more 4 is there that we want to bring down next. So next we are dividing 4 by 7. 4 by 7. 4 divided by 7. Is it possible? No. Here also 4 is smaller than 7. So it is not possible for this division. So we want to put a 0 on the quotient. Okay. After that bring down 9 next digit also. Now the number is 49. 49 divided by 7. That also we know the table of 7. 7 into 7 have 49. 7 into 7 is 49. So 49 divided by 7 will be 7. Again multiply 7 with 7. We got 49. Then remainder we got 0. After subtracting we got 0. So this is the division of a 5-digit number by a single digit number. Okay, the same step you can follow for dividing any numbers by a single digit number. Okay, thank you.